Hello! This is a tutorial to getting started with creating a map using the Turok level maker. To start off, navigate to your Steam library and select Turok. Start the game. You will be given an option to either play the game or launch the game editor. Select Launch Game Editor. The editor window should pop up. Let's start by moving around. To move around while editing, hold down left click and drag your mouse. You can also use WASD to move faster without having to use your mouse. To pan the camera around, hold down right click and drag your mouse. To move the camera on the Z axis, hold down both left and right click while moving your mouse either up or down. The menu bar consists of File, Edit, View, and Help. Under the menu bar, there are 7 tabs: Level Editor, Project Editor, Texture Set Editor, Model Editor, Animation Editor, Particle Editor, and Workshop Items. For now, the only tab we'll be focusing on is Level Editor. The rest aren't needed unless you want to upload your level to Steam. Under the tab bar, there's the Quick Access toolbar. I'll be going over all of them now. Create a new level will clear everything on screen and start you from scratch. Be careful with this one as you will not be asked to save if you press this by accident. Open a map file with open an existing map file, same as above. Be careful when you use this. Save map will let you save your progress to a map file. Always save your progress. Export to OBJ will let you export as scene to an object file, something you can use on something like Blender or Maya or any modeling software. Wireframe will toggle view into what's called a wireframe view, where you can see all polygons currently on display. Think of it like the pen and ink sheet from Turok, either Turok 1 or Turok 2. Ortho view will lock the camera to a top-only point of view, useful when you want to lay down ground meshes or link ground vertices quickly. The following icons are quick toggles to temporarily hide from view certain elements of your map. Hide static meshes will hide all static models from view. A static mesh is any scenery model used to create a level, things like trees, rocks, hallways, and so on. Hide fog will stop the editor from rendering any fog. This does not control the in-game fog, that is controlled by sector data. Hide sectors will hide any sectors or nap meshes from being rendered while you're in the editor. Nap meshes or sectors are the actual level geometry and store all kinds of information used by the game's logic. Hide actors will hide actors from your view. An actor is a model with an animation. This includes enemies, NPCs, pickups, and particle effects like sound, fire, and spawners. The following are quick access icons for the 3 editor modules. These are Mesh Edit, Sector Edit, and Actor Edit. Mesh Edit will allow you to add static scenery to your map. Sector Edit will allow you to lay and edit nap meshes on your map. Actor Edit will allow you to place actors on your map. Next, we have Grid Snapping, which will allow you to snap objects to other objects easily. Always turn this on before starting to work on a map. There are some rare instances when you'll want to disable this, as some of the models don't really play nicely with grid snapping. Lock camera to selection will lock the view to whatever is currently selected. The draw distance bar controls how far the editor will render things on screen. This does not control in-game render distance. The final button will let you test your map. You must always save before testing or you won't be able to see your changes. Under the view menu, you got something called World Properties. Here you have a couple of settings. Sun color lets you change the color of the sun. Ambient color lets you change the overall color of your entire map. This does not control fog color, by the way. Sun direction lets you control where the sun will render when you're in game. Use the button below it to set the sun origin to the location where the camera is currently located. Sky material is the texture the game will use to generate clouds in game. There are 4 sky textures, which are Sky Brown, Sky Dark, Sky Gray 1 and Sky Gray 2. To your right, you will see 3 extra tabs: Transform, Model Picker and Console. The Transform tab allows you to manipulate the origin, scale and rotation of an object or objects if you have multiple selected. Origin is the location of an object within the map. The scale is the length, height and depth of an object, in other words, its volume. Rotation is the pitch, yaw and roll of an object in 3D space. Model Picker is where you will search and pick scenery models for your map. If you see any model with _, ignore it. The Console tab will allow you to debug things while you're in the editor. The commands available are the same as if you were playing in-game. And there you have it. This is the introduction to the KEX Editor. Next time, I will show you how to start making your first level. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video around. It all helps. Thank you for watching and I'll see you around.